So finally, after a long journey of 8.5 hours, we are at Karma Royal Hathi Mahal Resort. It's a beautiful resort in Cavalusum, South Goa. This resort not only has hotel rooms, but it also has 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom fractional units with kitchen. These fractional units are meant for members only, but it's a very good option as you can maintain social distancing and also have a home away from home. All our luggage and car was sanitized when we arrived, and we were handed over the keys of a sanitized fractional unit. This resort also has a swimming pool, a slide pool, a splash pool, a pool bar, and a lazy river. So now let me take you to a fractional unit and give you a room tour. So as you enter, there is a beautiful painting, and we have a kitchen unit, and here there's a microwave, chimney, induction stove, a Philips tea coffee maker, a toaster, and also we have a refrigerator and a freezer here. So this is a huge fridge here, and we also have a freezer here. We have all the cutlery here. And the utensils. So that we can cook our own breakfast and dinner. We have some plates and bowls, pans, and also cups, glasses. So everything we need for cooking is there. So let me take you to the balcony. So this is the seating area. And there we have a jacuzzi in the middle. And we can sit and have a morning breakfast and coffee here. Now let's go inside. So this is the living space, and the sofa cum bed, which will be open at night, and then nice dining space, and the kitchen unit, which I will be using for cooking, and a TV. So let's go inside the washroom. So this is how it looks. So we have this shower area here, the WC, the mirror, and we also have some robes here. Now let's go inside the bedroom. So now we are entering the bedroom, and this room is also very nicely done up. So here's the double bed, and there's a window this side, a cupboard, TV, sitting area, and a window to watch sunset. Inside this cupboard, we have a mirror, and we also have a locker. So friends, now we are going to check out a few more things of the resort. This resort has a small grocery shop, so we're going to pick up a few things for our kitchen. It also has a bar, restaurant, art studio, a mini theater, a recreational center for kids, and also a gym. And all around the hallways you'll find only Ganesha pictures, paintings and art pieces and sculptures. Now we'll just have a look at the Atwoods bar and the restaurant. So this is the Atwoods bar with a snooker table, which we will explore a little later. And this is the restaurant where they have laid the tables outside. So now we are at the grocery store, which has all the items you'll need during your stay here: milk, juices, bread, eggs, ice creams, sugar, oil, biscuits. So we picked up a few items for breakfast. Now we are heading towards a beautiful terrace garden which they have near the lobby area. And here too I found some amazingly beautiful Ganesha statues. So now we are heading back to our room to have a cup of tea. So friends, I'm making our first cup of tea in this kitchen. So जब भी हम travel करते हैं, we really use this Girnar tea. So this is masala chai mix, and you just need to put hot water and you get a good cup of masala chai. Putting the masala tea powder in this. और ये बन गई हमारी गिरनार मसाला चाय। तो चलिए अब पीते हैं गर्मा गर्म चाय विद बिस्किट्स। सो इट वॉज़ अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी एंड अभी बहुत टायर्ड हो गए हम लोग। तो चलिए आपसे बाद में मिलती हूँ फिर एक व्लॉग के साथ।